Hello, welcome guys. For today's video we're going to unbox this T&G Portable Wireless Speaker from Lazada. Here is the actual box. We bought this for 199 pesos. It's actually the box, stereo BT or Bluetooth speakers. Nice packaging, the usual T&G box from Lazada. So let's start unboxing this. Slide this up. So you see another white box. Wow, as you can see, it's actually in good red color. Okay, what comes inside is the micro USB. Okay, the micro USB type. Yeah, there. We also have this user manual. Oh, it's in English and a Chinese version. Here's the actual speaker. Wow, this is really good. It's actually made of a rubbery plastic handle. Okay, so we'll do a quick sound test for this speaker. So before that, there's actually like the power on and off button or switch, I guess. The USB port, the micro USB card slot, the aux port, and here's actually the menu, the volume down, volume up, and the play button. So let's now do the sound test. Okay, let's go turn this on, guys.
Bluetooth mode.
Okay, at first you're going to hear that it will be paired for Bluetooth. Now we already paired it with my device right now, so let's test this.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go.
So it has a good quality sound for its price. And now we're going to try the other feature, which will be the FM radio. So by simply pressing this one,
FM mode.
so we're going to use this. Just plug it in. Okay, and it will scan your local FM channels.
AUX mode.
Now it's under AUX mode or Aux mode, wherein you can actually pair it with any of your device to be a speaker like your laptop, and unfortunately I don't have one, so we can't actually test it. So we're going to press this one again.
Bluetooth
Go back to its Bluetooth mode feature, and you can actually hear the beep. It goes that it's already, or it is now paired with your device. You can see.
Till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways.
Now for this 199 speaker from T&G, it is actually worth the price. Yeah, with its stylish red color, the box, and especially the sound quality, it's a thumbs up. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for viewing. Do like, share, and subscribe for this channel. You do have a good day.